Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can transfer money from Skrill to PayPal account. So I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first thing, you need to visit www.changebuz.com. You can also find the link on my description box below, and make sure that you already have an account in changebuz, and after that you need to log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, this is what the interface is going to look like. And after that, in order to transfer money from Skrill to PayPal, so first of all, you're transferring it from Skrill, then you need to select Skrill, and after that you're transferring it to your PayPal account. So for that, on the other side, you need to select PayPal. Next interface will redirect to the order page, where you need to mention the amount that you're transferring and your email address that is associated with the changebuz in order to receive notification and invoice about your exchange or your transfer. After you're done selecting the e-wallet, next you'll redirect to the older page, where you need to mention the amount that you're transferring and the email address of the sender which is associated with changebuz, so that you receive notification and invoice about your exchange or your transfer. And after that, you also need to mention the receiver's PayPal email address. So once you're done entering all of the information, tap on exchange, and on the last interface you have the confirmation. So make sure to double check all of the information provided, and if you're sure about it, tap on place order. After that, you've successfully transferred money from Skrill to your PayPal account. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.